Gosh.
Oh yeah.
Oh.
Big hole.
Oh my goodness.
You're okay. Kinda.
That's awesome.
Oh my gosh. You just hear it bouncing up and down. Do you see why I was like, holy crud?
Really tight. Well, because I don't want you to go anywhere.
Oh yeah.
Yeah!
I'm not looking! Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. That was crazy. Crazy!
Did we have that reel up in the air too?
I don't think so. He hit it.
At a different angle?
Yeah. That was nuts.
Alright, Nate,
Get back over there in your mama's son.
Alright, he's gonna go back here.
Going back that way, or are we gonna go out that way?
I'm good with going up it.
Alright, you wanna go? So you gonna go ahead and go up? You gonna
Go with your mama's son.
Alright.
I'm gonna go on this side.
Oh wow.
Take it on the high side. That way you won't bottom out. There you go. You got it.
Oh, that's awesome.
Oh my god. That is just crazy.
Yeah.
I tell you, these Jeeps have just done awesome. They really have.
They amaze you with their flexibility.
Yeah.